Hey, what's up? Tim Anley here. So today I'm gonna unbox the Nikon Z8 because I have a trip coming up actually in a few hours, so I have to unpack it and hopefully it works, even though there is a recall for the Nikon Z8, but I just hope that it will be okay for the next few weeks, and then I'll check the serial number when I get back and see if I need to return it. And so today I'm gonna have an unboxing, and then I'm going to compare the Z9 with the Z8, just like the initial impression. So let's see. So the Z8, okay, let's see. Oops. Okay, so this is the manual, which I never read. It's a bad habit. Don't follow me. And then okay, here is the camera. Ta-da! Okay, okay, so it's very lightweight compared to the Z9. So let's see. It's not too small. It's a lot bigger than the Sony A1 from the first impression. But let's see. Okay, so I'll just put it here. Okay, just put it here. Okay, so there's a battery charger. Put it here. What is that? What is that? I never know what these are. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments. I think it's some support. Okay, so this is the cable for the charger, probably, and the strap that I never use. And okay, so this is also for the. Is it for the charger? No. Okay, so here it is. The battery, the charger. Is there anything else? Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is where you put the batteries in, and then you can just probably okay, so there's a lock right here, and you can unlock it to plug it in, and then unlock it to put it back in, and then this is where you put the batteries in. Right here. You put it here. Okay, so this is how it is. All right, so I'll just put it here, and then I'll change the. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's see. So here you put on the batteries. Okay, here it is. It's very lightweight. So let's see how it compares with the Z9. So as you can see right here, the two, maybe here you can see it clearer. Okay, so because without the vertical thing below the camera, the Z8 is a lot shorter than the Z9. In terms of the width, is pretty much the same. And how about the thickness? It's also pretty much the same, but just feels a lot less bulky on the hand, and I really like it. It's not as small as the Sony A1, which almost feels like it is too small. So I like it. So let me see. Okay, the camera also is you can flip it out and do all this kind of stuff. Pretty awesome. So this is important. And I heard that from Steve Perry's YouTube video. He said that the battery life of the Z8 is even shorter than the Sony A1, a lot shorter than the Z9. So I'll bring both camera to my next trip, and I'll let you guys know how it is. But so far I really like it. Let me see. In terms of the control, looks to be the same. And yeah, everything seems to be pretty much the same. Okay, so there is one less function in here. There's only function 1, function 2. Here is function 1, 2, 3. And okay, so here, what is that? Okay, so there's only one for the cable shutter release, and also I was told that in terms of the card slot, there's one for the CF Express, one for the SD card, and then here both of them are CF Express. So I like it more, but really these days with the 512 gigabyte card, I never really use up at all. So I also bought a few extra batteries for this one because I'm gonna be in a cold place, so batteries drains faster. And here, so let's compare the batteries here. So these batteries last a lot longer, the Z9 compared with the Z8, but I would trade everything for weight savings because I do a lot of hand holding for photography, especially hand holding the super telephoto lens. It makes a huge difference for any weight saving. So I rather put the batteries in my pockets and just put it up if I use up one of the batteries rather than holding it onto this. So yeah, so this is it. So one more thing before we end it. So I got the weight here, scale, so we'll see how heavy they really are. So okay, so and I also have a bonus member right here. So I also have the Sony A1 here. So as you can see here and here, so the Sony A1 is still quite a lot smaller, but surprisingly the A1 seems to be heavier than the Z8. So we'll really check it out. Maybe it's just because it's bigger, so it feels lighter. So we'll see. Okay, so you guys ready? Okay, so first let's put the Z8, I mean the Nikon Z9 here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 1353. How do I write it down? So just write it down right here, 1353. Okay, with the batteries. And then now is the Z8. The Z8 is 914. So let me write it down. So 914 gram. So that is quite significant because this one is what is it? 1353. So about 1400. This is 900. So it's almost 1/3 lighter. That is pretty cool. So now the exciting thing. Ta-da! Okay, so let's see. Sony A1 748, 749 gram, 748. Okay, 748. So that is still a lot lighter than the Z8. God, can't believe it. That's well, I mean, kind of. Even though this feels lighter, maybe because like it's bigger, so I can hold it with all the fingers, so it feels lighter. This one versus the Sony A1 is 748 to 1353, almost twice the weight of the Sony A1. So that is pretty crazy. So anyways, so hope you enjoy this unboxing video. We'll see how the Z8 goes and see if I don't even know where's the serial number. Where do I check it? Is it bottom? No. God, where is that? I think it's in the info button, info or whatever. So anyway, so yeah, it's pretty good. So I'll let you guys know how it is. So far, I like it, and I'll let you guys know how it compares with the Canon R5 and the Sony A1 in the next one. So if you like this video, definitely check out my unboxing of my Z400 2.8. Also check out how to choose the best cameras in any budget in this video right here. In that video, I talk about I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also, let me know if you have a Nikon, whether the camera has gone into any issues before, because in one of my videos I talk about how it suddenly jumps from taking raw files into JPEG, and quite a few of my friends told me that they also have similar problems, and I don't know if I just by accident touch any button and then it got into the factory default, or if there is really some bug in it. Hopefully not, but it's quite concerning, so hopefully this is not the case. But anyways, see you guys next time.